Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's Decorate Your Summer Tier Tray and it's hosted by At Penny's Place. Okay, so I'm going to be linking below the playlist so that you can head on over, subscribe to our channels, and full watch the video so that you can get all the inspiration you need as you're trying to think of how to decorate your chia tray. And this is fun for me because I loved interchanging my tier tray. Some people do it by the season, some people do it by the holiday. I just like decorating it all the time depending on how I feel. So let's jump into the video so that you can see what I did with mine. So here you see that little mini gumball machine. I'm absolutely loving that. And so prior to that, you saw me, I had a succulent in my hand. That was a real succulent. I placed that on the very top. And then these little faux succulents, I got those at the Dollar Tree. I purchased 2 of them and I'll be placing those in my tray. So here you'll see that I added some lemons to the tree and I finally gave in and bought the camper that they have at the Dollar Tree. I thought it was absolutely adorable, so we added some of that. We did add a real succulent along with the faux succulents. And here we have this camera that just got to my Dollar Tree. It's absolutely gorgeous, being that we videotape all the time. And I thought it would be a neat idea to add it to my tray. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video as you watch me place this together. So here I want to take a moment and I want to thank at Penny's Place for hosting this collab. I really had so much fun putting it together and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So let's continue watching as I set this for display. So I love adding to all of my items when I'm done. I just love lighting candles. I think it brings a warmth to the area and just an ambiance that I absolutely love. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you enjoyed the display of the tier tray and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And yes, the accessories along the side of the tier tray are Chanel inspired. So I will see you in the next video.